Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's
20 English Vocabulary Quiz. What is the synonym for vivid? Dull, lively, quiet, lively. Choose the correct antonym for expand. Increase, contract, extend. Contract. In the sentence, the cat is blank the roof, which preposition fills in the blank? In, on, at. On. The cat is on the roof. What does the word meticulous mean? Careless, contract, thorough. Thorough. Identify the correct plural form of child. Childs. Childs with the apostrophe S. Children. Children. Choose the correct meaning of the word eccentric. Ordinary, strange, boring. Strange. Select the appropriate synonym for persistent. Temporary, determined, fleeting. Determined. Select the appropriate antonym of diligent. Lazy, active, careful. Lazy. Select the appropriate antonym of elusive. Obvious, ambiguous, intangible. Obvious. Identify the correct meaning of the term obsolete. Modern, outdated, improved. Outdated. What is the synonym for intelligent? Clever, clumsy, shy. Clever. In the sentence, he walked blank the park, which preposition fills in the blank? Through, over, in. Through. Choose the correct antonym for benevolent. Kind, hostile, generous. Hostile. Identify the correct plural form of mouse. Mouses, mouse, mice. Mice. What does the word ephemeral mean? Permanent, short-lived, eternal. Short-lived. Choose the correct meaning of the word resilient. Fragile, flexible, rigid. Flexible. Choose the appropriate antonym for meticulous. Diligent, negligent, precise. Negligent. What is the opposite of graceful? Agile, awkward, elegant, awkward. Choose the correct meaning of the word disperse. Collect, gather, scatter. Scatter. Select the appropriate synonym for qualification. Incapacity, credential, disproof. Credential.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.